Hello everyone and welcome back to Vegan with Soul. No, I'm not cooking. And for those who have been with me for a while, thank you so much for sticking in here with me. And for those who are new, yes, I see you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And no, I have not uploaded anything in about 2 months, but I'm getting ready to. Give me a couple of more weeks. I'm working on 2 recipes and I like to test those out before I actually put them on my YouTube channel. But I just want to come and just give you an update about my life with everything going on with the coronavirus around the world. You think that you're going to have some relief and it comes back. And so I've been stressing because one, I'm an asthmatic, and so I'm really don't have anywhere I can go. I'm not mobile like I would like to be. So I'm staying home a lot. I don't even go to church, although my church has opened up and they're doing an amazing job at keeping social distancing, but still I am not going back because I deal with asthma. And also dealing with the George Floyd murder on the world stage for everyone to see. That's just another stressor. Broke my heart and all of that. Not gonna go into any details about that. If you live in the United States of America and around the world, you already know what's going on with that. And so, but I want to say I'm so thankful that I am a part of Winston-Salem, North Carolina, because during the demonstrating time, we had no violence whatsoever. So I thank God for that, because that has not been the case in different cities around the United States of America and around the world. But enough about that. I just wanted to check in and let you guys know that, I'm just been stressing out with everything going on. And the way I am dealing with that is I pray. I worship. I'm a Christian. I don't push that on my channel because that's not what you're here for. But if you don't know Jesus, he's amazing. But then, dealing with my husband and my son, who flew in from California right before they shut it down. I was so thankful to have them here. So instead of it being just me and my husband, it's me, my husband, and my son, because right now, he don't have time to look for a place to stay. I prefer him to stay put. It's safe here. No one here is sick. I've been, contaminated with the COVID-19, so he's safe here, and I prefer him to do that. But with an extra person in my home, that brings, I wouldn't say stress, but it takes away my freedom a little bit. And that's not a bad thing, because I have a studio downstairs that I can run to when I just need a break from those around me, and they probably need a break from me too. And so I may give y'all 2 of that. It's very small, but guess what? It's my space. It's you know how men have men cave? Well, I have a woman cave, and I think it's adorable. But I go there, I work downstairs, I edit videos, and I do social media for my church. I also have other people that I work with, and so doing all of that is a tug on me. It's a little bit of stressful, just to stay up to date and to stay ahead of my schedule. I tend to work over, which isn't good for me, but it is good for me, if you know what I mean, because I feel if I stay a week or 2 ahead of myself, that alleviates some stress for me. I don't like to work on something that's due that week. To me, that's stressful. So I try to stay ahead of the game to just have some time to pull back and have some creative thinking going on, because if you constantly just putting out and you don't have time to put back in, you can really become dull and become bored. And so I like to take time to, sorry for the shaking because I have this sitting on my desk. I like to take time to just learn something new and to make it better, because every time I look at a video that I edit, I'll be like, now what could I have done differently? How can I improve on that? So I do a lot of that as well. But I would like for you guys to let me know down below, what do you do to stay creative if you're in that vein? Or what do you do just to relieve stress? And if you're home with your kids, because I know a lot of my friends had to homeschool this year, something that they were not looking forward to. No one was looking forward to this. And so that was really a big issue for a lot of my friends, and very daunting, very commenting for them, but they overcame. And so now we're dealing with, are they going back to school or do they get to stay home? And so it's some mixed feelings about that, and I do understand it, because parents have to go to work, and some parents can't afford to miss work. Okay, let's just keep it real. A lot of parents really need to go back to work, and then now it comes into play is, who's going to watch my children while I work? So I pray for them, because there's a lot of single parents out here that really need to go back to work. and they don't have anyone home. They may not even have family support. And so my heart goes out for them. But I just wanted to come on and say to you guys, no, I haven't forgot about you. I haven't. Like I said, I'm an asthmatic, so just stressing, making sure that I keep myself safe and keep my family safe, and that my husband and my son, they both go out to work every day and they come back home to me. So, I'm like, okay, who you been around? Are you, doing everything you need to do? And so we've been safe. No one has brought anything back home to us, and I'm so thankful for that. But guys, I don't want to keep you any longer. I just wanted to come on and say hello. I love you guys. I miss you guys. And yes, I miss cooking for you. I do cook for myself, but it's just, wasn't feeling it, guys, to be honest. Just dealing with everything that's going on, just like you are. But I hope you guys are staying safe. And please let me know down below how you guys are doing, because I would love to hear from you, all right? So thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul, and hopefully I'll catch you in my kitchen soon. Bye, guys.